I've spent hours watching different trading strategies on YouTube, which all seem to have really high win rates and claim that you can quit your job in 30 days. Some of these indicators look very promising, with backtesting results showing very high win rates, but I've not seen any of these TradingView indicators on live markets. So I'm on a mission to test out some of the best TradingView indicators to see if these indicators are as profitable on the live market as they are in the backtests. Now before I start, I don't want to take anything away from the creators of these indicators or the creators of the videos. I just wanted to show my experience using some indicators. So let's get started. So every week I will be trying a new strategy with different indicators on live markets. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. The indicators I will be using in this strategy are two that I've seen in recent videos. The first one is the momentum-based zigzag by Peter O. Now this indicator will be providing the long and short signals. I will also be using a modified momentum QQE by Hookmatcher42, and this indicator gives us an overall trend by showing either a green or a red line. Based on the videos that I've been watching, these are the settings that I will be using on the momentum based zigzag, and then on the QQE we just get rid of everything apart from uptrend and downtrend in the style section. And the strategy is very simple. Every time we get a long signal from the momentum based zigzag, we will be taking a buy as long as the modified momentum QQE is green. If we get a long signal with a red QQE, we won't be taking that trade, whereas it is the opposite for sells. So every time we have a short signal and a red QQE, we will be taking that sell. I will be trading on a 100k demo account, so let's see how we get on with this strategy. Okay, so it is now 9 AM on Monday the 6th of November. We've had our first alert here. It's on NZD CAD and it is for a sell. Now you can see we do have the short signal there and we do have a red line from the momentum QQE. Stop loss isn't too far away, so we actually are going to take this trade. Okay, so our short position is now in. Our stop loss is above this area. We are risking 1%. We're going to go for a 1.5 risk to reward. So let's just see how this trade plays out. Okay, so we've got our second alert for the day. It is a buy on Euro CAD, which I'm just going to look at the stop loss, how many pips it is, before deciding whether to take this one or not. So stop loss is only 16 pips, so I am going to take that buy. You can see the QQE is green and we've got our long signal there. So there we go, that buy is in. I'm going to set a stop loss below this previous low and our take profit is 1.5. So there you go, let's see how this trade plays out. We are still in the NZD CAD sell, as you can see, trying to push down to this level here. Okay, so that NZD CAD trade has now just closed. You can see we did come down to our profit target. Our account balance is now at 101,000. So let's just keep our eye on the Euro CAD trade to see how this one goes on. Okay, so we've just had our third alert of the day. It is a long on Great British Pound AUD. So this is what the trade is going to look like. Stop loss below this area. I'm going to include these wicks here and our take profit is there. We are still in the trade on AUD CAD. So let's just see how these two trades play out. Okay, so we have an alert for another trade here on Euro AUD. It is a short, but you can see that the QQE is still green, so we are going to ignore this signal. Okay, so an update on the trades that we are currently in. You can see the open trades that we have here. We did get stopped out of our USD CAD trade. You can see price did reverse on us and hit our stop loss level. We have actually got a long signal now, but we are still red on the QQE, so I won't be taking that long. But these are the rest of the trades. So if we look at Euro AUD, this is the one we just got in, stop loss below this area, a buy on GJ, stop loss below this area, and a buy on Euro CAD as well, and another buy on Great British Pound AUD, which should be closing out soon if we can continue to push up. So that loss brought the account basically back to break even, but our equity is at 102,000. You see we've just had an alert on Euro CAD for a buy, which we are already in. Another update on the account then, it is now 1:46 PM. But if we look at the current positions that we have open, you can see that all of them are in drawdown. Our account balance is down and our equity is down as well. So this Great British Pound Aussie dollar trade was unfortunate. So we did come right up close to our take profit level, and unfortunately we just missed that. and we have since come down and we're on a little bit of drawdown. But let's see what happens. Just keep taking the trades as they come up. Okay, so another update on the account then. We have just had a alert from AUD CHF for a sell, which we are going to take. So there we go, we have just taken that sell. This is the trade idea. The stop loss is above this area, so above the previous high. And then the take profit is a 125. So you can see we are floating at around $600. However, our account balance is down, so we're at 96,370. So we'll just keep taking these trades and see how we get on. 3:18 p.m. We have just had another sell signal on GU this time. So you can see we have taken these short from there. Stop loss above the previous high and profit target of 1.5. We are floating around $3,000 in drawdown, and our account balance is at 98,000. So just keep an eye on these trades. I will only be trading for about another hour, an hour and a half, just because I don't want to sit at my laptop all day. But I will take any trades while I can. Last update for the day then, it is now 5:06 p.m. You see we are still in 4 trades. The AUD CHF trade is in profit, but the rest of them are in drawdown. Our account balance is just under 94,000 and our equity is floating around 91.5. So not the best start with this strategy, but I will be trading this strategy all week. So we're back tomorrow when I first start trading, which will be around 8:30. By then these trades will have probably closed. Okay, so we are back then. It is Tuesday the 7th of November and it is 8:49 a.m. So these were the trades that closed last night. So we did actually have 2 winners. The sell on GU and the sell on Great British Pound Aussie Dollar. So this is where the account balance is currently at. So it's $96,545. So I've not had any signals yet. I did log on about 8:30. So just keep my eye out for any trades that come up. So let's just see how we get on today. Okay, so we have got our first couple of signals. First one was a short on GJ, but you can see that we are bullish on the QQE. So we're going to ignore that one. And then we are on a buy on Euro CAD. You can see the QQE is green, so we are going to take this trade. Stop loss is below the previous low and profit target of 1.5. So let's buy at market there. So we have closed on a couple more trades. It's now 10:10. So this morning we have had 2 losers and 1 winner. Our account balance is just under 95,000 and we're currently floating at around $640. Okay, so another update on the account then. It is now 8 p.m. I did finish trading around 5 p.m. You can see this will be our second losing day. So our account balance is at 87,577 and our equity is at 85,000. So if we have a look at the trades that were taken today, you can see we've had 3 winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losers so far. So far not a very profitable strategy, but I will stick with it for the rest of this week. So I'll be back tomorrow when I start trading again. Okay, so we are back. Today is Wednesday the 8th of November and it is 1:35 p.m. So this is what the account is currently looking like after the trades last night closing. So we're just under 88,000. We are floating at around $850 profit. I haven't been able to trade this morning, so we have just got into our first trade for the day. It is a sell on AUD CHF. You can see we have the red QQE and our short signal. Stop loss is above the previous high and our take profit is 1.5. So we'll just be trading throughout the day, so I'll be back later when I have an update. Okay, so a last update for the day then. It is now 8 p.m. So this is what the account is currently looking like. You can see the open trades that we have here. So our equity is around 86,000. So for me, this strategy isn't working very well. I'm not saying this strategy doesn't work, but there will be a few things that I'd need to tweak if I was to use this strategy again. Okay, so we are back. It is Thursday the 9th of November and it is 9:12 a.m. So this is the first trade we're going to get in today. You can see we've had the sell signal here and we do have a red QQE up here. So our stop loss is above this previous high and we're going to go for a 1.5. So there we go, that sell is now in. If we have a look at how the account is currently getting on, you can see we are down to around 83,000 on the account now. After I stopped recording last night, you can see we had 2 winners and 3 losers. So I'll catch up with you throughout the day. Okay, so here is a final update on the account. So I won't be taking any more trades using this strategy. Our account balance started at 100,000 and we are now at 81,839. So this hasn't been a profitable strategy for me. If you look at the account history, you can see that most of the trades we have taken have closed in a loss. So potentially we may need to look at tweaking the settings or changing the strategy overall. I do think the indicators are still good under some circumstances, but for me I could not get them to work. So I will be using different indicators every week on the live markets, and I will be bringing you a video of the results that I've had every Monday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.